Air purifier or humidifier for snoring. What is snoring and what are the causes of it? Snoring is a sound that is created when air flows through the nose and mouth, and causes the tissues in the back of the throat to vibrate. How can an air purifier or humidifier help to stop snoring? First, by cleansing the air and removing allergens, they can help to clear congestion and open up the nasal passages. Second, humidifiers add moisture to the air, which can help to keep the throat and nasal passages hydrated and lubricated. Finally, both air purifiers and humidifiers can help to create a more relaxing environment. 2 ways to use an air purifier or humidifier to stop snoring. One way is to make sure that the room you sleep in is free of allergens that could trigger your snoring. Another way is to use the humidifier to add moisture to the air, which can help lubricate your throat and reduce snoring.